What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a signature in Gmail. First, open up your preferred web browser and head to Gmail. Once you're logged into your Gmail account, look at the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear-shaped settings icon. Go ahead and click on it. A quick settings menu will pop up. This menu provides access to some basic settings. But for creating a signature, you'll need more detailed options. In this menu, you should see a link that says See All Settings. Click on that link to access the full settings panel. You'll now be on the settings page. It may look a bit overwhelming at first because there are a lot of tabs and options, but don't worry, we're only focused on the General tab for now. Make sure you're in the General tab, which is usually the default one that opens. If it's not already selected, just click on General from the list of tabs at the top. Next, scroll down the page. You may notice that Gmail has quite a few different options in this General settings section, but you'll want to keep scrolling until you reach the Signature section. It's located roughly halfway down the page, and this is where we'll begin creating your new signature. In the Signature section, you'll see a button labeled Create New. Click on that and a small box will appear, asking you to name your signature. Naming your signature is helpful, especially if you plan to create more than one. For example, you might want to create a work signature that includes your job title and business contact details, and a personal signature for casual emails. Go ahead and give it a relevant name based on how you intend to use it. Once you've named your signature, the editing area will appear. Here's where you can customize your signature to fit your needs. You have a few options. If you want a simple text-based signature, you can just type it directly into the box. For example, you could include your name, phone number, job title, website, or social media links. You can also format the text with different fonts, sizes, and colors using the editing tools available in the signature editor. This lets you add a professional touch to your signature. If you prefer to use an image, Gmail gives you that option too. You can import an image, such as a company logo or a scanned copy of your handwritten signature. To do this, click on the Insert Image icon in the toolbar above the text area. You'll have the option to upload an image from your computer, your Google Drive, or from an URL. Once added, you can resize and position the image to fit neatly within your signature. Another useful feature in Gmail is that you can create multiple signatures. If you manage multiple email accounts or need to switch between professional and personal communication styles, creating different signatures can be a real time saver. For instance, you can create a signature for work that includes your professional details and a personal one for friends and family. Gmail allows you to easily toggle between these signatures when composing an email by clicking on the pen icon that appears in the email composition window. Finally, once your signature is created, you'll want to set up signature defaults. Right below the signature editor, there are options to select which signature should be used for new emails and which ones should appear when replying or forwarding messages. You can select different signatures for each of these actions. Or you can leave replies without a signature if you prefer a more concise response for forwarded or replied emails. This flexibility allows you to control how and when your signature appears, depending on the type of email you're sending. Once you're satisfied with your signature and settings, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. It's important to remember this step because any changes you make won't be applied until you hit that Save button. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.